Very good morning. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Amrita Kumari. I am life coach and healer. So, today's topic is intention setting. So, intention setting is a very powerful ritual you can easily incorporate in your life, and only 5 minutes it will take, but it can maximize your potential to unbelievable limits. Let's start the video. So what is intention setting? So intention, you may say in simply way, you put the routine that I need to do this, I need to that do this simply on the piece of the paper, and you just complete some work, you don't complete some work. But now with this intention setting, in this you have to make 3 columns. So in your diary, you have a diary, you have a manual, you put 3 lines. That is for intention setting. First column, that what you need to do. Any work, like if you have a goal, like suppose I have goal of losing 5 kg of weight in 6 months, suppose. So towards that goal, what should be the mini step I should be taking so that it will allow me to achieve my goal. For that, if you say no, I will do that diet, this diet, so we will split it on everyday basis by setting the intention. So in first column, I will write I need to exercise for half an hour. In second column, you will write down why you want to do that particular work, like why I need to exercise. Because second column, I need to lose weight, or I want to look fit, I want to look beautiful, I want to wear particular type of clothes which need me to lose 5 kg of weight. And the last column, how do you feel after completing that work? So that is the third column. So first column, why you want to do a particular work. Then first is what you want to do, second column is why you want to do particular work, and third column is what will your feeling, how you feel once you achieve that target. So in the night routine or in the evening, you set in the intention for the next day, or in the morning while getting up, sit on your bed, set an intention. What are the work you need to do? Like you have particular office work, you want to spend quality time with your loved ones, with your spouse, with your kids. So, and why you want to do that, and how do you feel? So this simple thing only take 5 minutes in a day, and this will make you very powerful. And do it and DM me how you felt after setting an intention, and you have to do it every day. And for more practices, and you want to practice intention setting, morning routine, all those things, you can DM me, on my number is there, and you can join my free healing group and life transformation group. Description will be in my YouTube channel, I will share in this. So thank you so much, and create a beautiful day. Thank you.